Ulrich Sieberath is the convenor of WG1 and 2 of CEN TC 33, the working group which has elaborated the revision of the standard EN 14341. In which stage are the works in mid-January 2009?
It was prepared a new amendment to that standard. This amendment was in a long discussion. Mainly it was stopped in formal reasons in December. I reported that very often. Now these formal things are finished, and these standards will be published in next March as new amendment to the existing product standard. And as the CEN rules are, without a further coexisting period, this amendment after votation will and can be used in Europe together with the existing product standard.
So, CE mark will be compulsory all over Europe starting when?
As you know, products can be CE marked since the coexisting started in 2007, in February 2007. So there is now the opportunity, since the last time also, to present the product in the different markets with CE marking. It will be compulsory in February 2010.
Good.
So that is the end of the coexisting period now published by the Commission.
Which are the main points of the amendment, PRA1?
The main points are revision of the factory production control, so it is more detailed now. The responsibility of the manufacturer is described, and also the technical content of the factory production control. The difficulty, of course, was and will be that other manufacturers are very different. We have very small ones and very big manufacturers, and this matter is dealt with in the new amendment. So also concepts where small manufacturers can use these results by system houses called cascaded ITT are precise in the new amendment. Additionally, we have some tables who allow very small and mid-sized manufacturers to validate performances without tests, so that more or less the essential characteristics known in the different markets can be validated also without, let's say, costful tests in the laboratory.
Which are your suggestions to the window door makers of Europe now?
The main suggestion maybe is that good performance and good quality of the windows must be produced. They cannot test it either by European standards or anywhere. The good windows must be produced, and that is the question of the production, of the factory production concept, and that is the importance for the future, not only to test the product, to validate the factory production control, and to ensure that good window quality will be produced with good performances in Europe.
The standard has been changed only 2 years after it has been released. Now, is it possible to foresee or forecast possible revisions?
It is to see at the horizon that further discussions are on the table. The Commission has new ideas. The new CPR is coming in Europe. That has influence to other product standards, but nevertheless, during the next 4 or 5 years, no further revision is foreseen. Then, of course, a complete revision of the standard will come.
Will the CPR change something for the world of window and door makers?
Not really. The concept of the CPR is at least similar. We have harmonized standards, we have harmonized product standards. We will have changes in the conformity systems that are in discussion, but it's much too early really to say which concrete differences it will have in relation to the now existing standard. That is in discussion.